Hello and welcome all to my channel. Today I am going to share with you guys a scam exchange that named is ByteBTC. I again say a scam exchange ByteBTC that is already listed in CoinMarketCap. I don't know how they list in CoinMarketCap. So I want to share with my story. Yesterday I lost my asset here in ByteBTC. So here is my ByteBTC account and I want to share with transaction history, my transaction history. Here you can see yesterday I deposit 381 BAT, and here you can see the date, and also I deposit RFG yesterday, and I haven't withdraw any token yet. Here you can see no transaction, but now my BAT token was gone. I lost almost $126 when I really need that. So here you can see now my BAT balance is 0.0008623. So this is really pathetic to me, and I really disappointed by. But I want to. But I want to. Uh, but I want to share with you guys so that you aware of that. So that's the story. I yesterday I lost almost three $126 that almost 381 BAT, and then now you can see my BAT balance is almost zero. So and yesterday I saw uh, BAT ETH pair price is 39 cent, over 39 cent. That's why I transfer my BAT token from Bittrex to this scam ByteBTC. I didn't know ByteBTC is a scam exchange, so no one informed that. So that's why I make this video, guys, for hour, and I missed that. And here you can see uh, we have received reports that user deposits are being withheld. Please be careful with your funds. Yes, guys, be careful. If you deposit this ByteBTC exchange, then you lose your money. That's for sure. So be careful. And I want to share another uh, post. Here you can see this post was posted July 6, 2018. So uh, long ago. ByteBTC is a scam exchange. So here you can see the people are report about ByteBTC, but this sheet exchange is still alive. I don't know why people any action this exchange. So I just share with you guys about this scam exchange, so be aware of that. And if you guys want to know more about this scam exchange, then I give this link in my video description so that you can uh, watch it out. So this is the third time I lost my money. First time I lost my cryptocurrency in coins market cap, and second I lost my asset in BitGrail, and this time this sheet exchange scam exchange ByteBTC I lost almost $126. So it's really disappoint me. And so guys, if you want to help me, then you can do that. I leave my wallet address in the description. So that's it, guys. See you soon with the new video. Until then, goodbye and good luck for all.